like ice cream? Or maybe some spicy noodles? Did you know that your choice of food and your eating habits can actually speak volumes about your personality? Are you curious to know some hidden aspects about your inner self? Let's proceed and find out different interpretations about your eating habits. It's not what you eat, but rather it's how you eat it. There's a strange and interesting relationship between eating habits and personality traits. Here are 10 eating habits that will unlock your real personality. Do you like salty food? People who like salty food are very ambitious and motivated. They tend to go with the flow and are likely to be competitive. But these people can easily get frustrated with daily life's hassles, such as getting stuck in a traffic or maybe waiting in a queue. The next one is for sweet lovers. People who love eating sweets are very supportive and helpful, and they don't have any expectations of any reward. They are calm and kind-hearted. These people will always actively listen to your problems, but at the same time, they won't be so open and discuss their own issues with other people. Do you love spicy food? People who relish spicy food are usually unpredictable. They are not at all afraid to express their emotions and thoughts, and they will always go for what they want in life. They are also eager to try new things and are very adventurous. They are often known as risk takers. If you are a picky eater and you have really specific food requests and very selective choices, that means you enjoy being in your own comfort zone and you hate getting out of it. However, you are also a curious person who always crave for new knowledge or information. Are you a fast eater? Fast eaters usually focus on finishing their food really fast. They will be the first one to finish their meal before anyone else. In fact, they don't even care about chewing their food properly. These people are great at getting things done from others and are very good at multitasking. They will finish their work before the deadline, and it's not surprising that these people tend to be impatient. Are you a slow eater? We all know someone who is always the last person to finish the meal. People who eat slowly chew their food properly. In general life, they take their time to do everything. They are never in a hurry. They believe in living and enjoying their present moment. They always take time to consider all pros and cons while taking any decision, and they appreciate life in little things. But at the same time, they are also very stubborn and they like to keep a fixed routine. Do you prefer eating one food at a time? People who focus on eating one food at a time are logical and disciplined in their approach, and also very detail oriented. Other people always praise them for being very responsible and careful in all situations. The next one is if you love mixing all the food together on your plate. People who like mixing different food items together love to take things upon themselves. This is because they are always willing to take more and more responsibilities in life. Other people often admire them for their bravery and potential. Do you know someone who chew their food loudly and make noise while eating? It sounds annoying, but these people have a carefree spirit and they don't worry about what other people might think about them. They are very straightforward, friendly, and they will let people know what exactly they want. People who love eating bitter food are those who generally have a negative outlook towards everyone in life. They are very manipulative and insensitive and may also display some antisocial personality traits. Food can always bring people together, but the way we eat makes us different from others. Did you relate to any of these eating habits? Which one are you? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more such informative updates. Thank you for watching.